Hello and welcome to the course Control System 1. Subject code for this is 303147. So here is a teaching scheme in front of you. Teaching schemes tells you us about like how much hours of theory class and how much hours of practical class we are going to have in a week. So we have 4 hours of theory lecture and 2 hours of practical class for this subject. As far as the examination scheme is concerned, you can see it here. We are going to have a in-sem examination of 30 marks, end-sem examination of 70 marks. So 70 plus 30, it becomes equal to 100, and we have a separate oral head for 50 marks. So the total examination scheme for the control system 1 is of 150 marks. So basically, what are the prerequisites of this subject? So as far as this subject is concerned, you should have a basic knowledge of Laplace transform and ordinary differential equations. So this subject is basically the combination of mathematics and some theoretical concepts, okay? And as far as mathematics is concerned, Laplace transform and the differential equations, which you have already studied in your engineering mathematics. Those are the prerequisites. So basically you have some course objectives, okay? Course objective means what does this course aims to? So our course objective number 1 is to understand the basic concepts of the classical control theory. Course objective number 2 is to model the physical systems mathematically. Course objective number 3 is to analyze the behavior of a system in time domain as well as in frequency domain. And course objective number 4 is to design the controller to meet the desired specifications. So basically, whenever you study any of the course, you should know what is the objective, what is the intention behind studying this subjects. And definitely, if you have some objective, surely there should be some outcome. Outcome is like you get it after completion of a course. Okay, so upon successful completion of this course, students should be able to model the physical system. You should be able to determine the time response of linear system, analyze the stability of LTI system. You should be able to design the PID controller for LTI system. So basically all these things will be taught in your course, and after completion of your course, you should be able to do the following things, and that is nothing but the course outcome. Coming to the different units which we are going to study, as far as control system 1 course is concerned, we do have 6 units to study. So unit number 1 is general, unit number 2 is time domain analysis, unit number 3 is stability analysis and root locus, unit number 4 is frequency domain analysis, unit number 5 is frequency domain analysis, and the last unit, that is unit number 6, will be consisting of PID controllers. So one by one we have to see all these 6 units in details. Okay, so it is a combination of numericals as well. Okay, so as far as this subject is concerned, you have the different textbooks which you can refer. So the first textbook we have is Nagarath and Gopal. This is one of the best book. Okay, this is one of the best book as far as the control system 1 is concerned. That is Nagarath Gopal. Then second book we have is Ogata. Okay, it is nothing but modern control system engineering. And the third textbook we have is NICE, that is control system engineering. It is a book by John Wiley and Sons. So I prefer this Nagarath and Gopal, that is control system engineering. It is titled as the same. Then we have some references. Okay, so BC Kua is one of the reference book which is there for control system. Then the next one is Richard Dorff and Robert Bishop, that is modern control system engineering. And the third reference book is D. Roy Chaudhary, that is for modern control engineering. So these are the books which we will be having as an reference. Okay, so this was all about the introduction to subject, like what is the examination scheme, what are the objectives, what are the outcomes, and like what are the different units which we are going to study, along with the textbook and the reference book which you have to use for this subject. Thank you.